this? Where is this leading to? We talked about leverage. So if this is money, and this is time. Okay, can you see this? I'm drifting off the page. This is time. There we go. And this is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, 6 months. Okay. Now, in a given year, you forecast your sales, you forecast your business. A lot of people do something like this, where it's like a marginal growth curve, and maybe it's 15%, right? And then in a great year, maybe you have the same curve, but then you really start to amp up, and you hit 40%. That's a phenomenal growth year for most businesses, right? So in the models that we're talking about, this is the type of growth rate you can see. Maybe there's some that go the wrong way, right? With a lower price position product. The model we're going to show you is you don't just grow later. You start out of the gate greater. You start here, and we go out like this. In fact, I actually draw the curve even more upwards. This is the business model you want. And think about it. Now we're going to get into some economics or statistics or both. But let's say that this right here below this line is your expenses, your operational expenses, right? That's your expenses. So you have, if these are your expenses, then you have this much. I'm doing 3 colors. This much in profit. Okay, if you're down here. Now, if you're on this model up here, same expenses roughly, but look at the profit margin. Huge difference. Huge difference. And no longer are you talking about somewhere between 5 and 15% profit margin. You're talking about 75 to 95% profit margin with this. And by the way, when you sell high price premium programs, look at the leverage. If we wanted to get on this line to this line by ourselves, you would need over 8 times yourself. You need 8 of you to simultaneously do your work that you're doing now. So we're basically showing you we're going to save over 8 times the amount of time back to you and create up to 400 to 500% or more in growth with the model we're going to show you. So that's what we're talking about with accelerated learning, speed to market execution, and scalable systems with a high price program. Okay.